Hey guys, one more unboxing video for you today. This is my Ultra Slimline tower fan. This was actually purchased today at Costco. This was $40 plus tax, so it comes to roughly $46 Canadian. Now I actually have a couple of these in our house. They are nice because they're nice and quiet and they give a lot of airflow. Again, just looking at the side of the box there. So with this unit, it is a 4-speed, and it's got different modes on. It has a normal, which is your regular fan speed, your 4 different fan speeds, your natural, and your sleep. There's a look at the control panel. And nice thing about it too, it comes with a remote control. So let's take a look in the box. Alright, so first off is your user's manual and your warranty paperwork. And the rest, we'll actually have to put it on the floor and pull it out. Again, it's packed really well. So, once you get it out of the box, this is what it looks like. Again, this is really hard to pull out of the box with this packing. However, that means it's protected nice and well. These 2 parts here are going to be for the base. And this is your fan unit itself and your extension cable to plug in. And again, this is a 110 volt. So what I'm going to do is remove the plastic film off of it that protects it. Little photo bomb there. And we'll see how it looks. Alright, so we got the plastic cover off. And there's the unit. If you're looking for the remote control, it's actually in the back of the unit. And there it is right there. And these are the 2 bases that snap together. However, there are 4 Phillips screw head screws that you have to take out, and you have to screw the bases on. So you will need a screwdriver for this, so I'm going to get a screwdriver and we'll install that. So just a little tip, when you're before you screw the base on, you actually have to feed the power cord through the base there before it's screwed on, and this will screw on just like that in the other part below it. So again, make sure you feed that through before you install the base. Alright, so all 4 screws are in. The most time consuming part of this is losing one of the screws in this deep plush carpet. Again, this is one of the carpets from Costco. Absolutely love it. So again, this is the only part you have to install for the fan. Again, 4 screws. These 2 parts actually clip together, as you can see right there and there. It's pretty simple, and you feed your wire through. So let's get her upright and give her a test run. Now, in order to use the remote control, you just have to pull out this piece of plastic, and again, this just separates the battery, so the battery's not touching any contacts while it's in storage. So you pull that out, and then the remote control is all ready to use. So I've got it actually set up in my office. So it's actually quite a nice unit. It's roughly 40 inches tall, and the base is around 11 inches wide if you're looking for the measurements. So to turn it on, this is your power button. This here is your wind speeds. So the top being the highest and eco is the lowest. This button here is to oscillate it, so to spin her back and forth, which is really nice in a room there. And to actually stop that, just press this button. This button here is if you just want constant wind speeds on whatever setting you put it on. You want it on this one. This is your nighttime setting, which means it will start off high and gradually decrease the fan speed. And this one here, it's saying it's actually like a natural wind, so it will blow hard and then it will gradually get softer and then hard again for the wind speed. And this is your timer. So if you want it on for a half hour, and I believe it goes up to 7.5 hours for the timer. So it's very simple to use. And I usually keep this going at nighttime. I enjoy the fan as well, as it almost gives like a little bit of a white noise effect. And again, you have your remote control. So to power it on, this is your wind speeds, your oscillating back and forth, your fan functions, again if you want the natural wind, nighttime, or just regular fan, and then your timer. And then to turn it off, just press the button there. It's very simple to use. And one thing I like about this is a newer model. The older models, you'll know they're older because they're black. With the newer models, the remote control actually just slides in the back, just like that when you're not using it. So this is a newer model. The older ones actually just clipped in, so they kind of hung off, and they were actually quite a bit thicker. So when you're not using it, I always recommend just putting it in there. That way you're not going to lose it. So again, this is my tower fan. It's a Seville Classic. Again, it's from Costco. It's $39.99 plus 15% sales tax here in Canada, so it was roughly $46. Anyways, we have 3 of them in the house. This will make number 4, and we absolutely love them. We've had them for a couple years and have not had any issues with them. So again, just a short unboxing and a demo video on this. And stay tuned on my channel. I kind of do a little bit about everything: tractors, home renos, yard maintenance, a little bit of everything. So when I get a new product, I like to do a little unboxing and review video on some of the features and what I feel about it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that bell notification button for future videos. Take care, guys.